Dry air can wreak havoc on your sleep and overall well-being, leading to discomfort and even respiratory issues. If you've been struggling to find the perfect humidifier to combat these problems, today's video is just for you. We'll be comparing 5 top-rated humidifiers that not only enhance your sleep quality, but also help maintain optimal humidity levels in your bedroom. Stick around to find out which one takes the top spot, especially our #1 pick that's a game changer for a peaceful night's rest. Don't forget to check the links in the description for current prices. And if you love content like this, subscribe for more reviews. Clarston Humidifiers. The Clarston Humidifiers are a great choice for those who want an easy-to-use option without compromising on performance. Designed with a sleek and modern look, this humidifier fits well in any bedroom decor. One of its standout features is the adjustable mist level, allowing you to customize the humidity according to your preferences. This is particularly beneficial for people with allergies or dry skin. However, while it operates quietly, it can sometimes take longer to fill larger rooms effectively. Overall, it's an excellent pick for individuals seeking simplicity and effectiveness in their nighttime routine. Levoit Humidifiers. Next up, we have the Levoit Humidifiers, known for their innovative features and user-friendly design. This model comes equipped with a built-in humidity sensor, which automatically adjusts the mist output to maintain the desired humidity levels in your room. Perfect for tech-savvy users, the Levoit also boasts a large water tank, ensuring longer operation without constant refills. Many users appreciate the essential oil diffuser feature, which allows you to add a touch of aromatherapy to your space. However, some users have noted that the LED indicator lights can be a bit too bright for nighttime use. Nonetheless, it's a solid choice for those seeking convenience and style. DREO 3 liters humidifiers. The DREO 3 liters humidifiers are ideal for anyone looking for a powerful solution to combat dry air. Featuring a generous 3-liter tank, this humidifier can run for up to 30 hours on a single fill, making it perfect for overnight use without interruptions. It also comes with multiple mist settings and a 360-degree nozzle, allowing you to direct the moisture exactly where you need it. This model is particularly beneficial for families with children or pets, as it operates quietly and has a built-in safety shut-off feature. However, it may be slightly bulkier than other models, which could be a consideration if you have limited space. Overall, it's a great option for those prioritizing performance. AZEUS Cool Mist Humidifiers. At number 2, the AZEUS Cool Mist Humidifiers offer a perfect balance of functionality and design. This model features a top-fill design, making it incredibly easy to refill and clean. With its whisper-quiet operation, the AZEUS is especially great for light sleepers who need peace and quiet at night. It also includes an adjustable mist output and an auto shut-off feature to prevent overheating. What really sets it apart is its stylish look, making it an attractive addition to any bedroom. However, some users have reported that it may not cover larger rooms as effectively as larger models. For those seeking a sleek and functional humidifier, this is an excellent choice. Everlasting Comfort 2.5 liters Top Fill Humidifier. Claiming the top spot is the Everlasting Comfort 2.5 liters Top Fill Humidifier, a standout choice for anyone serious about improving their bedroom air quality. This model features a user-friendly top-fill design that makes refilling a breeze. No more bending over to fill from the bottom. It operates quietly and can run for up to 50 hours, making it perfect for uninterrupted sleep. With a built-in essential oil tray, it doubles as an aromatherapy diffuser, allowing you to create a calming atmosphere. Many users love its impressive mist output and the ability to cover larger spaces effectively. Although it might be a bit pricier than other options, the performance and quality make it a worthy investment for a healthier home environment. Now that you've seen our top picks for the best bedroom humidifiers in 2026, it's time to make a choice that suits your needs and preferences. Whether you prioritize design, functionality, or quiet operation, there's a perfect fit for you in this list. Don't forget to check the links in the description to find the best deals. And grab yours today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more valuable reviews.